For years, we have struggled with plastic waste flowing into our oceans from rivers. 10 rivers in the world are responsible for up to 95% of it. 8 of them are in Asia, including the Mekong and the Ganges. These rivers transport millions of tons of plastic pollution each year into the oceans. The UN Environment Programme's Countermeasure project is using the latest technology to fight the plastic problem. Satellite data is fed into a big, clever computer, which analyzes demographic and geographical information to find leakage hotspots. On-site surveys allow us to categorize the pollution, and travel websites are used to find tourist concentrations. There's also an app for people to scout for dump sites in their own community and share findings with the project. Drones scout the landscape, taking high-resolution photos, picking up the location of plastics to be analyzed with machine learning algorithms. The albatross
دوست کوینا مرز اقلدی مکتبونه کرده 5 بازار بندی مجرب سخب سوی پد پلاس درسونه وایم اخذ ما سر په درسونه کې مرسته
د ټولو پلرونو څخه دا غواړم څرنګه چې کرونا مرض راغلی دی مکتبونو بند شوي دي په خپل کور کې د خپلو ماشومانو سره په زده کړو کې خپلو ماشومانو سره کومک وکړي.
It's wonderful to be able to be a part of such an amazing family.
But we're out there doing what we could do.
To see all over the country how you are helping everyone, and that's something really beautiful how we're able to come together.
All on Wednesday evening, and then plundered through the state for hours. In the morning, this is what the region's biggest city looked like. Kolkata ravaged by what many residents say is the worst storm they've experienced.
It started becoming scary when actually these trees started cracking. When they fell and we understood something big is happening.
Parts of the city are underwater, including the airport.
Unfortunate, everything gone.
Across the border in Bangladesh, more destruction. Both countries have a lot of experience dealing with cyclones that develop each year in the Bay of Bengal, and evacuation measures save thousands of people. But it'll be a while before they can build back their lives.
The damage has been devastating. The scale of devastation is quite big. So I would say about 30% of the people in our working areas are not going to be back home tonight.
Bit by bit, relief teams are working to restore and rebuild. Cyclone season has just begun. Many are hoping it doesn't get any worse. Yogita Lemay, BBC.
Properties also suffered some heavy damages as the storm destroyed buildings. However, no loss of life or injuries have been reported so far. A severe weather warning remains in place as the authorities fear flooding due to the heavy rainfall. Residents have been asked to unplug electrical appliances, avoid using landline phones and also stay away from windows. Now, the closest comparison to this storm is the 2012 weather event that had prompted more than 600 calls for help and about 170,000 homes losing power back in that year.
tutte le contrarietà del tempo presente, abbandonando per fitte tenebre si sono addensate sulle nostre piazze, strade e città. Si sono impadronite delle nostre vie, riempiendo tutto di un silenzio assordante e di un vuoto desolante, che paralizza ogni cosa al suo passaggio. Si sente nell'aria, si avverte nei gesti, lo dicono gli sguardi. Ci siamo trovati impauriti e smarriti. Consiste la mancanza. Ci siamo resi conto di trovarci sulla stessa barca, tutti fragili e disorientati, ma nello stesso tempo importanti e necessari, tutti chiamati a remare insieme, tutti bisognosi di confortarci a vicenda. Su questa barca ci siamo tutti, tutti.